Dear student, today we will practice some more example from height and distance, and we will start from example number 5. So in example number 5, what is the question given? It is given that a vertical tower 20-meter high, a man standing at some distance from the tower knows that the cosine of the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 0.53. How far is he standing from the foot of the tower? So, according to the question, first we have to draw the figure. So, here given that height of the tower is 20 meter. So, let me draw a tower on the level ground. So, let it be the level ground, and it means the height of the tower we can write here 20 meter, and it is given the distance from the tower at some distance. So let it be the position. Let this is the position of the man, and it is given that the cosine of the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 0.53. It means here the angle is forming that angle. So let it be theta, and let the tower be AB, and the position of the man is C. So here forming the right triangle ABC. So according to the information here given, the cosine of the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 0.53. So we'll write let AB be the tower. Let AB be the tower. Then we can write given cos theta equal to, what is the value of cos theta given? It is given 0.53. So we'll write 0.53. So 0.53, this value, from this value, if we want to find the angle, then we need the trigonometrical table. So it will be provided for you in the exam. So here we'll write the theta equal to, from the table we know that it is 58 degree. If cos theta equal to 0.53 from the table, we can get it theta equal to 58 degree. So here the value of theta is 58 degree. Now we can write tan 58 degree equal. So tan 58 degree equal to perpendicular by base. So here it is AB by BC. So it is AB by BC. This implies now tan 58 degree. Now what is the value of tan 58 degree? So again we need the trigonometrical table, and it is the value is 1.6003. So we'll take only 1.6. So 0.03 we are not taking, we can take only 1.6. So 1.6 equal to AB is 20, so 20 by BC. This implies BC equal to, so BC equal to 20 by 1.6 equal to, it is 200 divided by 16 equal, so we can cut it by 8. So if we divide by 8, so it is 2, and here it is 25. So it is 25 by 2 equal to 12.5. So we'll write the answer. Here I am writing the answer. We can check how far he is standing from the foot of the tower. So we can write the distance of the tower. We can write the distance, the required distance. We can write the required distance, the required distance, the required distance equal to 12.5 meter. So that much only. And now we'll start example number 6. So now we'll start question number 6. In question number 6, it is given an aeroplane at an altitude of 250 meter observes the angles of depression of two boats on the opposite bank of a river to be 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the width of the river. Write the answer correct to the nearest whole number. So this is the question. According to this question, I have already drawn a figure actually to save the time. So you can draw also. First you have to draw a line AB which representing the height of the aeroplane, and then a vertical line, horizontal line, it representing the level ground, and then in this line you can choose C and D, the position of the two shapes, representing the position of the two shapes, and then you have to complete the this line to form the triangles, and then you have to draw, as it is given the angle of depression, so you have to draw a horizontal line from A, and then here we will write this big angle is 60 degree and this smaller angle is 45 degree. So these two angles representing the angle of depression, and from these two angles we will get this 45 and 60 degree. Now we can write here AB representing, here what is the height of the AB given? It is given 250 meter. So we will write here 250 meter. So this is the height of the aeroplane. We can write here now. Directly we can write. Actually what we are going to find? We are going to find the width of the river. Then which one is representing the width of the river? So this DC representing the width of the river. So let it be X. Let it be X. The length of the DC is X. So we can write in triangle. In triangle, we'll take ABD, the bigger one. In triangle ABD, comma, we can write 10. We'll write 10 45 degree. So 10 45 degree equal to AB by BD. AB by BD. This implies, we know 10 45 degree equal to 1. So 1 equal to AB is 250. So it is 250 by BD. This implies BD equal to 250 meter. Mean length of BD is 250 meter. Now I'll write again in triangle. Now we'll take triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, comma 10. Now we already taken 45. Now 60 degree. So 10 60 degree equal to, we'll write now AB by BC. So we'll write AB by BC. This implies 10 60 degree is root 3 equal to AB is 250. So we'll write 250 by BC. This implies, so BC equal to 250 by root 3. So here BD equal to 250 and BC equal to 250 by root 3. Now we see that the value of X we can get by subtracting BC from BD. So we'll write DC equal to, now we can write now DC equal to BD minus BC equal, so BD equal to 250 minus BC equal to 250 by root 3. So it is 250 by root 3 equal to, if we take root 3, then here it is 250 root 3 minus 250. Now we can put the value of root 3 as root 3 equal to 1.732. So we can find the value. So this part you have to do yourself. Okay. Now we'll start question number 7. In question number 7, it is given that a man standing on the bank of a river observes that the angle of elevation of a tree on the opposite bank is 60 degree. When he moves 50 meters away from the bank, he finds the angle of elevation to be 30 degree. Calculate the width of the river and the height of the tree. So this type of question is to come. So comparatively the question is easy. So I have already drawn the figure. So here first you have to draw this line as AB, which representing the height of the tree, and the horizontal line here you can draw up to this, and then here you have to join as AD and AC. So this C is the position of the man. It is one bank of the river and this is another bank. So BC representing the width of the river, and when he moves away from C, he moves away from the bank 50 meters. So this is the new position and it is representing by D. So here forming two right triangles, and from these two right triangles we can solve our problem. So we can write first, let AB be the height of the tree and BC is the width of the river, So these two we have to find. Now we'll write in triangle. First we can choose the triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, we'll write tan 60 degree equal AB by BC. Here I represent the width of the river as x, so we can replace it. This implies tan 60 equal to root 3. So root 3 equal to AB by, so BC equal to x. This implies AB equal x root 3. So let it be equation number 1. So it is x root 3. Now, so I am removing the question. We'll write again in triangle. Now we'll take ABD. In triangle ABD, 10, now 30 degree, 10 30 degree equal to AB by, now it is BD, AB by BD. This implies 10 30 equal to 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 equal to AB by, so BD equal to, we can write 50 plus X. So here 50 plus X. This implies AB equal 50 plus X by root 3. Let it be equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, this is our equation number 1. So we can write from equation 1 and 2, we get, from equation 1 and 2 we get here AB equal to 50 plus X by root 3 and here AB equal to X root 3. So we can compare, so we can write 50 plus X divided by root 3 equal X root 3, equal X root 3. This implies cross multiplication will do. So here it is 3x equal to 50 plus x. This implies 2x equal 50. This implies x equal to 25. So we find the width of the river as 25 meter. Now we have to find AB also, the height of the tree. So from here, this equation number 1 I am doing here. From 1 we can write, from equation 1 we get AB equal to, so x is 25, so it is 25 root 3 meter, and here also we can write meter, and at last we have to write the answer. So don't forget to write the answer. We can write here, therefore, what is the question given? Here it is, the first question is the width of the river. So we'll write, therefore, the width of the river equal, so width of the river is that one, x. So x equal to 25 meter. We'll write 25 meter, and the height of the tree equal to, it is 25 root 3. So it is 25 root 3 meter. Now sometimes in the question it is given the value of root 3 as 1.732. So you can multiply 1.732 to with 25 to get the answer. Otherwise you can keep it up to this. Now we'll start question number 8. Let us start now question number 8. In question number 8, it is given the horizontal distance between two towers is 120 meter. The angle of elevation of the top and angle of depression of the bottom of the first tower. First tower is that one. So the figure is already given in the question. As observed from the top of the second tower. So this is the top of the second tower. Second tower is 30 degree and 24 degree respectively. Find the height of the two towers. So you have to find the height of the two towers, mean AB and CD. And also it is given, give your answer correct to three significant figures. So three significant figures. So in the answer, how to write it? So I'll write it. Now, according to the figure, as it is given, AB and CD are the two towers, and it is given the horizontal distance is 120 meter. Here it is given 120 meter. So we can write here 120 meter, and the angle of elevation of the top. So angle of elevation of the top, this is, so here forming the angle of elevation with the horizontal line C. So angle of elevation of the top and angle of depression of the bottom. So here is the bottom. So angle of depression is that angle. So what are the measures? 30 degree. So it is 30 degree, and that one is 24 degree. So it is 24 degree. So these are the information given. Now it is clear that here two right triangles are formed. One is AEC and another one BEC. And this 24 degree, so we'll get this value from the trigonometrical table. Now we can write, first we'll write let AB and CD be the heights of the towers in triangle. Directly we can write in triangle. First we'll write AEC in triangle AEC. One thing you can see that this AB and CD are vertical line. So this BD means CE is equal to BD. So we can write here 120 meter, because CE and BD also parallel. So we can write EC as 120 meter. So in triangle AEC, if we apply 10, so it is 10 30 degree. So 10 30 degree equal to AE by EC. So we can write AE by EC. AE by EC. This implies 10 30 degree equal to 1 by root 3 equal AE by EC equal to 120. This implies AE equal, so AE equal 120 by 120 divided by root 3. So we can rationalize it, as the denominator is rational number. So we can multiply it. So here will be 120 root 3 divide 3 equal. So it is divisible. So here will be 40 root 3. So this is the value of AE. So AE is 40 root 3. Now removing this figure, now our another triangle is BEC. We'll write again in triangle BEC. So 10. Now the angle is 24 degree. So 24 degree equal. So 24 degree, this is our perpendicular. So it is B by EC. So it is B by EC. This implies, now 10 24 degree. So the table will be given, trigonometrical table, we have to find it from the book. So it is 10 24. So 10 24 is 10 24 degree is 0.4452. 0.4452. 0.4452 equal, so BE by EC is 120. This implies B equal 120 into 0.4452. So we have to multiply it. So let me multiply now. I am multiplying with calculator. So it is 0.4452 into 120. So it is 53.424. So it is 53.424. So I have written up to 3 decimal. So we find B also and AE also. Now another thing, B is equal to CD. As we already find B, it means we already find the tower CD. Now we'll write therefore the height of the first tower equal. So what is the first tower? Height of the AE plus BE. So you can write AE plus BE equal. So AE is the value of AE is 40 root 3. It is 40 root 3 plus B equal to 53.424 equal. Now we'll convert root 3. So it is 40 into 1.732 plus 53.424 equal. Let me multiply again. So you have to multiply it manually. So it is 40 into 1.732 equal to 69.28. So it is 69.28 plus 53.424 or 42, up to 2 decimal we can write. If we add it, plus 53.42, 53.42, it gives 122.7. Is 122.7. So this is the height of the first tower. Now in the question it is given up to 3 significant value. So if it is 3 significant value, but here it is 4 numbers, mean 4 digits are there, mean we have to write it in 3 digits. So if we want to write it in 3 digits, so in case of 0.7 we can add 1 here with 2. So it will be 123 meter. So this is the height of the first tower. And the height of the second tower equal. So second tower is CD. So CD is equal to BE. So BE is 53.424. So if we write 53.42. So as it is given up to 3 significant figure, so we'll neglect this 4. So it will be 53 meters. 3 significant figures. So we can write 53.4 meter. As it is given 3 significant figure, so we can write 53.4. So here also 3 significant figure, here also 3 significant figure. So this is the answer. Thank you.